Angela, and my partner's name is Rakib Azor. We are Team Chalkboard. Chalkboard is a user-friendly information sharing app that aims to pass all types of information to all students, faculty, and staff in real time. Study shows that a large number of students don't graduate on time, many don't even graduate at all. In 4 years institutions, only 39% of students completed their degree in 4 years, and 58% of them completed it within 6 years. At two-year public colleges, which educate the most students, only 20% of them graduated. This has been associated with lack of social support and sense of community that students face while on campus. A lot of students miss out on vital information and resources like scholarships, financial assistance, and aids, which would have helped improve their overall educational experience. A lot of international students, including myself, have experienced culture shock and a sense of belonging, and lack of sense of belonging, flying across the world all alone and not knowing how to navigate through campus or where to even start my journey. We surveyed about 100 undergraduate and graduate students, and only 20% of them knew about the IDEA Challenge, scholarship deadlines, and grant opportunities. Our aim is to get that 20% up to 100%. UML has several mobile and web applications out there like Roadster Route, Divs, UML Connect, Handshake, and so on, which are all disjointed. Chalkboard aims to integrate all these apps through a connected database to give students a centralized information sharing and communication platform. Chalkboard is a user-friendly app that provides any type of information in an interactive manner. It is a one-stop shop for information sharing in real time. It will align all information sharing across campus into a connected database. You might wonder who our customers are. Our customers range from students to facilities. New, existing, and international students will benefit from Chalkboard. With Chalkboard Alerts, students will never miss scholarship and career opportunities that will aid in professional development. International students will not feel lost on campus, and with platforms like Marketplace offered by Chalkboard, they can now easily find people of the same culture and exchange goods, furniture, books, ideas, and so on. Faculties will benefit from this forum and post research opportunities and easily find the right match without having to go through their department chairs. Local businesses and entrepreneurs will have a platform to advertise their products and services. Facilities like the library, dining, and several departments will have a forum to post their events, share their news with confidence that it will reach the right audience. And you may wonder what our revenue stream is. In-app advertising is our major source of revenue. Local businesses and entrepreneurs can post their sales and promotions on Chalkboard, and students will now have the power to choose which of their favorite restaurants or bars work with their budget, as opposed to having to physically go there to find out what's on sale before making the choice. Our long-term goal is global adaptation. We hope that other schools across the world will adapt this method of communication, thereby making life on campus better for all students. In order to launch this app, we need resources. We need resources to make this app become a reality, and our total estimated cost for the app launch is $15,000. This includes a fee for our app developers, software engineers, market research, front and back end development, quality assurance, and testing. Thank you.